William stands before the sound garden, a mysterious corner of the yard filled with whispering chimes. He drops a single pebble onto the stone path. Instead of a dull thud,
the garden responds with a loud plink, plink, plink. Chewy's ears snap upward, and Bubbles flaps her wings in a sudden jump.
William stares at the chimes, wondering why a tiny pebble creates such a massive echo. The WonderGate begins to pulse with a soft blue-pink light. A glowing music note symbol appears on the wood, rhythmically pulsing between soft and loud.
Tiny glow sprites drift from the gate, chiming like silver bells. William touches the note,
and Bubbles pecks the symbol. Suddenly, the gate swings open with a rush of air. The trio shrinks down, stepping into the vibrant Echo Garden realm. Flowers wiggle as they pass, and the very pebbles hum under their feet. They reach the Echo Tree, which flickers with a jagged, confused light. Chewy sniffs the roots while Bubbles taps a branch, but it returns 3 erratic, broken echoes. A stone tablet rises from the ground, displaying 3 symbols: soft, medium, and loud. The tree is broken. The glow sprites jingle, signaling a need for help. William taps the tree gently, but it lets out a booming, loud echo. Chewy barks at a medium volume, but the tree emits only a tiny whisper. Bubbles clucks loudly, yet the tree remains silent. The puzzle is backwards, William realizes. He spots 3 glowing echo sprites of different sizes. He carefully moves the soft sound to the tiny sprite, and the medium sound to the medium sprite.
Chewy nudges the medium one into place, and Bubbles pecks the big one to lock the loud sound in. Finally, the echo tree glows steadily. Its echoes are returning to normal. The glow sprites swirl in a celebratory dance around them.
William explains that soft sounds create tiny echoes, and loud sounds create big ones.
To test it, Chewy barks softly, and a tiny echo replies. Bubbles clucks loudly,
and a booming echo returns. The WonderGate glows one last time as the garden fades.
Back in the yard, they return to normal size. William smiles as the chimes ring in the breeze. His backpack now glows with a new rainbow swirl, a hint of the next journey.